Aloo Diye Murgi'r Jhol or chicken curry with potato is spicy, delicious and soupy chicken curry flavored with simple spices. It is a super quick and easy Sunday special recipe that we love most with piping hot rice, and some of us like to squeeze the lime. Hello viewers, myself Shiborna, welcome to Simply Food. Into a big pan, take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot enough, fry the potatoes. I wash the potatoes and peel the skin, then cut them into half. Fry them for 3 minutes. The potatoes are nicely golden. I am taking out them from the oil and set them aside. Now I am tempering the oil with 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 pieces of bay leaves, 2 pieces of dry red chilies. Now saute them little. Murgi is chicken and jhol means soupy curry in Bengali. Now add sliced onions. I have taken 3 medium-sized onions. This Bengali style Murgi'r Jhol is incomplete without mustard oil, which leaves its aroma and taste with its pungency. Fry the onions until the onions are translucent. It would take 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. As you can see, the onions are nicely transluted. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Fry the garlic for 1 minute with the onions. Now add cleaned and washed chicken pieces. I have taken 650 grams of chicken. The chicken should be fresh for this recipe. Chicken should be bone-in. Fry the chicken with the onion and garlic for 5 minutes on medium to high heat. Now time to add our dry spices. First I'll add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. It would give nice rich color. Add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 medium-sized diced tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and salt to taste. Now give a nice mix. Always adjust the taste of salt and red chilli powder as per your taste. Cook the chicken with the masalas for 8 to 10 minutes. You don't need to add any additional water at this time. Chicken will cook in its own juice. The spices are nicely cooked with the chicken. Add previously fried potatoes. These are main ingredients in this Bengali style Murgi'r Jhol. Cook the potatoes with the spices for 2 minutes. Add 2 cups of water. Give a light stir. In this recipe, big potato pieces soaked up the lovely juices from the curry and it just tastes irresistibly delicious. Cover the pan and cook for 15 minutes or until the chickens are tender. These are nicely bubbling, you can see. After 15 minutes, take the lid off. You can see the color of Murgi'r Jhol. Give a light stir. Now sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of Garam masala powder. Mix the powder well. Sprinkle freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give the final stir. This is the runniest form of sauce in Bengali cuisine. This chicken curry recipe is all about fresh ingredients. Bengali style Aloo diye Murgi'r Jhol is ready. Serve this Murgi'r Jhol with piping hot rice. Enjoy your Sunday special lunch. You can also enjoy this dish on any cold day. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy this Bengali style chicken curry. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you so much. Bye.